The Nothing Phone 3 is sparking a lot of excitement in the tech world, even though its release has been pushed to 2025. Building on the success of the previous models, the Nothing Phone 3 is anticipated to bring significant improvements in power, efficiency, and especially artificial intelligence features. However, before launching their next flagship, Nothing must address some key issues that have plagued their earlier models. In this video, we will discuss the problems faced by current Nothing Phone users and how these can be avoided in the upcoming Nothing Phone 3. Users of the Nothing Phone 2 have reported several recurring issues that have yet to be fixed by the company. Performance problems are a major source of frustration, with 90% of users experiencing freezing, lagging, and stuttering, along with random reboots and crash dump mode. Even after the 2.5.1 update, these issues persist. Overheating is another major concern, especially during heavy tasks like gaming or extended camera use. Unfortunately, the Nothing Phone 2 tends to overheat even during regular usage and while charging. Rapid battery drain is also a common issue, leaving many users dissatisfied. Screen glitches, such as screen freezing and the app drawer search opening the wrong app, have been reported as well. Additionally, Nothing phones have consistently faced problems with Wi-Fi and data connectivity in various regions. Despite receiving numerous complaints, Nothing continues to release new phones without addressing these issues. What are the issues have you faced with your Nothing Phone device? Share your experience in the comments below. In our recent video, many viewers commented on the problems with the Nothing Phone 2 and shared their expectations for the Nothing Phone 3. Nijesh Jalaluddin mentioned that Nothing needs to improve build quality, include IP68 water resistance, offer a better camera with a periscope lens, and provide better pricing. He also emphasized the need for at least 5 years of software updates and improvements in after-sales service in India. Nijesh also urged Carl Pei to stop mimicking Apple's designs. Another viewer, Martin, expressed relief that the Nothing Phone 3's release was delayed, suggesting that smartphone companies should release new models every 2 years instead of annually. He argued that this approach would be better for the environment, criticizing companies like Samsung and Apple for their eco-friendly claims, which he believes are just ways to make more money by excluding chargers from the box. These are some of the common issues reported by users of Nothing phones. Carl Pei and his team should prioritize fixing these problems with better software updates in their upcoming model, Nothing Phone 3. Additionally, there are rumors that the Nothing Phone 3 will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 processor, but some believe the company should opt for the more powerful 8 Gen 3 chipset, which promises enhanced performance, efficiency, and better AI processing capabilities. The new model is expected to retain the distinctive glyph interface, a signature of Nothing's design, and may introduce an additional button below the power button for added functionality. Rumors also suggest that the Nothing Phone 3 will feature a 5,000 mAh battery, but there are calls for an upgrade in this area, with a suggestion that the phone should have at least a 5,500 mAh battery and support faster charging capabilities of up to 120 watts. The device is also expected to run on Nothing OS 3.0, offering a redesigned quick settings menu and an improved overall user interface. Regarding AI features, Carl Pei mentioned in a video on his social media account, formerly known as Twitter, that the delay in releasing the Nothing Phone 3 is due to integrating AI capabilities deep into the operating system to enhance the user experience. He also hinted at a post-app world, showing a demo in the video. With these upgrades, the Nothing Phone 3 could compete with major brands like Apple and Samsung, offering a unique combination of innovative design and powerful performance. The anticipation surrounding the Nothing Phone 3 reflects the growing interest in Nothing's approach to smartphone design and technology. As more details become available, it will be exciting to see how this new model evolves and whether it can meet the high expectations set by its predecessors. What do you think about the Nothing Phone 3? Are you excited about its release? Let us know in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for early updates. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.